Students, in this video I am going to explain you how to solve the question number 2 of exercise 1.3. So in first A question of question number 2, it is given that 439 plus 334 plus 4317. In this question we have to estimate the above sum by rounding off to the nearest hundreds and also a closer estimate by rounding off to the nearest tens. So first thing, estimation means we have to find the quick result by rounding off the given numbers to the nearest places. Our purpose of the estimation is only find the result which is closer to the accurate result or original result and find the quick calculation. तो इस क्वेश्चन में बेटा आप देख रहे हो कि दो नंबर्स जो हैं वो ग्रेटेस्ट प्लेस वैल्यू 100 के साथ में है और एक नंबर 1000 प्लेस वैल्यू के साथ में है। तो यहाँ पे हम तीनों नंबर को 100 प्लेस के लिए पहले राउंड ऑफ करेंगे। तो 100 प्लेस के लिए हमने क्या बताया था, वंस प्लेस डिजिट को देखिए 9 इज़ मोर देन 5, देयरफॉर टेंस प्लेस डिजिट विल फॉर 100 प्लेस वी ऑब्जर्व टेंस प्लेस डिजिट 3 which is less than 5, therefore we round off 100 place as it is, that means 439 round off to 400. In second question number 334, again we observe the tens place digit means 3 which is less than 5, so we round off 100 place as it is, that means 334 round off to the 100 place or nearest 100 to 300. Now in 4317, if we want to round off nearest hundreds, so we observe the tens place digit which is 1, which is again less than 5, therefore 100 place as it is 300, 4300, add them. So 0 0, then 3 plus 3 6 plus 4 10, 0 carry 1 and 4 plus 1 5. So result is 5000. Now let us observe by rounding off to nearest tens. क्योंकि इसी क्वेश्चन में आपको कहा है कि आपको दोबारा इसी को करना है नियरेस्ट टेंस के लिए। तो अब नियरेस्ट टेंस के लिए करेंगे तो वंस प्लेस डिजिट ऑब्जर्व करेंगे, इट इज़ 9 मोर देन 5, सो वी इंक्रीज द टेंस प्लेस डिजिट बाय 1, so it become 440. In same way, in the second number we observe one place digit which is 4, which is less than 5, so we write the tens place digit as it is, so 330. In this number ones place digit is 7, which is more than 5, so we increase tens place digit by 1, so 1 plus 1 2 to 4320. Now add them, 0 0 0 ऐड किए तो 0 आएगा, 2 plus 3 5 plus 4 9, then 3 plus 3 6 plus 400 plus 10, 0 carry 1, 1000 plus 4 plus 1 carry 5. Now again see the second question, means B question of the second question, 1,08,734 minus 47,559. In this question again, first we rounding off to nearest hundreds, so we observe tens place digit which is 3 is less than 5, so we have to write 1,08,700 without change of the 100 place digit, then minus, observe in this number tens place digit is 9, which is more than 5, so we increase 100 place digit 5 by 1, so 5 plus 1 6, so 47,600. Subtract 0 0 लिख दीजिए, फिर 7 माइनस 6 1, 8 माइनस 7 1 और 10 माइनस 4 6. So 61,100 will be the result. Again we observe by the rounding of nearest tens. तो नियरेस्ट टेंस के लिए करेंगे, वंस प्लेस डिजिट देखेंगे यहाँ पे, ठीक है. तो बाय राउंडिंग ऑफ nearest tens. The ones place digit is 4. It is also less than 5. Therefore, we write the tens place digit as it is. So 1,08,730 minus, in this ones place digit is 9. So it increase the tens place digit by 1. 9 plus 1 10. Then carry 1, 5 plus 1 6, so 47,600. Subtract 0, 3 minus 0 3, 7 minus 6 1, 8 minus 7 1 or 10 minus 4 6. So in this time result will be the 61,130, which is more closer to the accurate result of this estimation. So एस्टिमेशन में हमारा मेन पर्पस है कि हम बहुत ही क्लोज रिज़ल्ट फाइंड आउट करें और क्विक कैलकुलेशन के साथ.